how can you add attachment in your mail on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. And there are actually two ways how you can make that work. The first one is that you open up the Mail app, for example, this blue one made by Apple, so I can even hold it down on it and click on a new message so I can get inside or like this. And I just go through it normally. I type in the recipient, I type in the subject line, but in order to attach the file or whatever else, you can click on the text field below, so the body of the text. So I'm going to tap like this, and you can notice that a couple of buttons appeared. So I have the formatting options, markup tool, and in the middle, we have the paperclip, which is for attaching stuff. So I can tap it like this, and I choose if I want to scan a document, attach files, scan a text, choose from photo library and so on. But usually for most people, it's going to be choosing the first option, which says attach file. This pulls up the Files app, so you can go in here and go through your folder. So you may have it, for example, in the downloads, right? I can go in here and here is like an image or I don't know, some kind of like different thing, whatever, right? So as you can tell, I have a couple of like sample files, right? So it's some PDF, which I downloaded from the internet. You can see that I imported it into the message like that, and now it is an attachment. So I can then just type in the contact or whatever else and click on a send, and it's going to be sent over with the attachment. So as I said, that was the first option, and the second one would be just doing the same thing but other way around. So instead of starting messages first, I would locate the file in the Files app at first. So let's say I'm going to go in here, go to my downloads, and find the same sample file, and I'm going to hold it down on it, click on share, and I can pick the Mail app right here. So as I say, instead of going to the Mail first, I can find the file and then use share and click on email, and it's going to attach it the very same way. So it's essentially the same thing, as I said, just the other way around. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.